Good morning children. Welcome to chemistry class. This is video number 2 of chapter 4 water. In this video we will study about sources of water. So what are sources of water? We all know that the water which we use is obtained from sources such as rivers, lakes, ponds, wells and springs. These are the sources of water. So the place from where we get water is called a source of water. And the water which we use is obtained from sources such as rivers, lakes, ponds, wells and springs. Rivers, lakes, ponds and spring wells are the sources of water. The water which we get in taps in our homes come from rivers. So the water which we get in taps in our homes comes from rivers, lakes or tube wells. The water of rivers, lakes and ponds contain some suspended impurities soluble impurities and germs like bacteria. So when we get from water from these sources, then the water is in contaminated form, because in river the water of rivers, lakes and ponds contain some suspended impurities and it is not good for direct use. So when we use this water, first we purify this water for use. So from where the water which we use is obtained from sources such as rivers, lake, ponds, well and spring. These are the places from where we get water. Is called sources of water. Now the water drawn from rivers, lakes, tube wells first purified and made germs free, because this water is very bad for health. An important question now arises: where does the water come from to fill the rivers, lakes, ponds and wells? This is described below. The river get their water from the melting of snow lying on the peaks of snow mountain called glaciers. So when glaciers melts, then river gets their water from melting of snow lying on the peaks of snow mountains and also from rain. Now lake, ponds, wells get their water from rains. Rainwater is the purest form of natural water, because there is no germs or microorganism in this rainwater. So rainwater is the purest form. Rainwater also becomes contaminated and impure when it flow into river, lakes and ponds because the water of river and ponds and lakes contains lots of impurities by which lots of diseases are once caused by pathogenic microbes via contaminated water. So, before using these water, we should purify our drinking water. So, rivers, lakes, ponds, glaciers, well, tube wells are the sources of water.